Here on the schedules page, we can go to View Intraday Report to look at the actual intraday traffic compared to the forecasted day traffic. So here we have two scheduling groups. We can go and pick a single scheduling group. And here we see the dotted line is our forecasted traffic, and then the solid line is our actual traffic for the day. Now, if this varies a bit, let's say the peak of the day started earlier, or the traffic is a little heavier than was previously forecasted, we can go here and click the Reforecast button, and it's going to use the traffic that has come in today to help us determine how we should forecast the rest of the day. So now our reforecast has completed, and we see the forecast as it goes through the rest of the day. Again, the dotted line is the previous forecast, and the solid line is our new forecast. So given this, because we had an extra peak in the morning, it's expecting things to die off a little earlier in the afternoon. And now we can go to view our new staffing levels. So here we have our previous recommended and our new recommended staffing levels for each increment through the day. And we can, either show the difference or just show the totals. And if you're using dynamic shifts, you're able to apply those updates to the schedule. Going back to our scheduling page, the other thing we can do is we can optimize our breaks and meals based on changes in staffing. If we have a staff call off, or somebody's having computer issues, something like that, is not able to perform their work. So if we have a change in staffing or that change in forecast, we can go back and optimize our breaks and meals. So using the optimize button here, we can pick which scheduling groups we want to apply this to. You can pick if you want to adjust breaks or meals or both. Select your flex increments and then submit, and it will readjust your breaks and meals appropriately. So here we have our staffing levels that were recommended previously. If we go back to that intraday report and our view new staffing levels, we have the check boxes next to the different scheduling groups. Here we can check those, and then we're able to apply the updates to the schedule. It's going to let us know that the staffing levels have been updated, and then it's going to let us know that we want to potentially optimize, as was mentioned before, the placement of the breaks and meals. So once your new staffing levels are there, you can go ahead and run that optimize and then publish out the updated breaks and meals schedule.